Good day everyone. My name is Ramya. I am from India. It's my privilege to welcome you to this presentation. I'm a Yoga Prana Vidya expert, a certified healer and a senior trainer with over 14 years of experience in holistic healing. Throughout my career, I have had an opportunity to help many patients to heal range of ailments including heart blockage, arthritis, asthma, dengue, cancer, tumor, fertility issues, relationship challenges, addictions, hallucinations, and even COVID related complications. So this only tells it's a wide range of ailments. Also, I have documented and co-authored and published several research papers on diverse topics, including heart blockage, snake bite, the effect of meditation on academic performance of students, supporting the female patient in conception and normal delivery in case of endometriosis, and managing diabetes. Academically, I hold a degree in computer science engineering from VTU, graduating in 2014 batch. Today, I am excited to share my case research report on B-cell lymphoma, also known as B-cell lymphatic cancer. This topic holds special significance for me as it reflects my dedication to combining wellness practices with scientific approach to healing. I look forward to sharing my insights and engaging in meaningful discussions with all of you today. Thank you for your time and attention. First, let us understand what is Yoga Prana Vidya and how the healing is affecting on a person's body. I will take you through PPT what I have prepared so far, which will help you to understand in a better manner. Yoga Prana Vidya is an integrated and holistic energy healing system. As we all know, we have a visible physical body. Surrounding to this visible physical body, we have something called energy body or pranamaya kosha, or it is also called as aura, etheric double, or bioplasmic body. This energy body and the physical body is connected to one another and affects one another. This energy body or the pranamaya kosha or the aura interpenetrates and extends beyond the visible physical body for several inches. Whatever happens to the physical body have its replica in the energy body, and whatever happens to the energy body have its replica on the physical body. Once the physical body gets healed through various means, energy body also gets healed by various means. In the similar manner, once the energy body gets healed by various means of healing, the physical body also gets healed. As we have a different system to maintain our physical body, for example, respiratory system, circulatory system, musculoskeletal system. In the similar manner, for the energy body to have its own system, there are two integrated factors. One is called chakras and the other one is called meridians. The chakras helps to absorb the clean and fresh prana from the environment, and it also expels the used up or the diseased energy from the body. It absorbs the prana or the vital force from the environment, and it also circulates that particular energy which is absorbed through the meridians to the organs which is controlling it. In the Yoga Prana Vidya system, we talk about 11 major chakras. It also controls certain organs near them. The main foundation or the basis of healing is our body is having a capacity to heal itself or normalize itself. We all know for a fact that once we run or once we do any physical exercises, our heartbeats tend to increase and it normalizes automatically. We don't have to put any external help. In the similar manner, if a body is having a wound or any small cut we don't have to do anything. The body heals all by itself because it is having a consciousness of its own. The second and very important factor is by increasing the energy or the vitality by various means, the healing is accelerated. In the YPV healing system, we increase the energy at the affected area and throughout the entire energy body. That's how the healing get accelerated. So once we increase the energy in the affected area or in the entire body, the healing tends to happen very fast. YPV is an integrated system. What do we mean by integrated system? So first and foremost thing we teach here is physical exercise. We all know that we have to keep our body healthy and so mobile, then the physical exercise comes to picture. In YPV, we teach a simple 5-minute exercise from eyes to toes, which will help a person to release all the used up energy which is no longer serving him, which will help a person to have a better mobility, to help him to release all the used up energy. Physical exercise helps a person to increase their energy level. It helps them to improve their sleep. It helps to have a balance and it helps to have a better joint movements. In YPV, we teach a very simple 5-minute exercise. And then when we come to rhythmic yogic breathing, we all know that our life starts from breathing and ends with breathing. In between, how we breathe matters a lot. Once we are psychologically affected, the main part which get affected in the physical body is breathing. Once we start doing this rhythmic yogic practice, which is a simple again yet 5-minute practice, we start to have our emotions and thoughts under control. Control breathing, control mind. So when we do this rhythmic yogic breathing, a person will tend to have a proper balanced emotional and mental well-being. It also helps a person to connect spiritually to his higher nature. This is a simple rhythmic yogic breathing where we do with a count of 6, 3, 6, 3. It is a simple exercise where we do 6 count for inhale, 3 count hold, 6 count exhale and 3 count hold. We do this for 7 to 10 cycles for a better results. So rhythmic yogic breathing again helps a person to increase his energy level, to flush out all his negative thoughts and emotions. It is a simple yet very powerful technique. Next, let us move on to forgiveness sadhana. Unless we have a happy state of mind, it is very difficult for a person to have a good health. Unless we come out of guilt, hatred, anger and other lower emotions, it is very difficult for a person to move on. As we all know, forgiveness is an attribute of a strong person. By doing forgiveness sadhana, a person can become mentally and emotionally very, very strong and easily come out of guilt, hatred and anger, which in turn helps a person to heal emotionally and mentally. Then we teach planetary peace meditation. It is a fantastic meditation where we teach a person to become a channel to bless the Mother Earth, where he blesses with peace, love and forgiveness. Once we have to give something, we have to internalize first. Once we become a channel to do this meditation, peace, love and forgiveness is internalized and in turn help a person to become a better emotionally and mentally, so that it will help him to come out of all sort of other issues. It is like a spiritual bath. Forgiveness sadhana and meditation is like a spiritual bath which cleanses his emotional and mental bodies. The fourth thing is diet. In Yoga Prana Vidya system, we talk about plant-based diet mainly, and we also tell saltless diet. We all know in an alkaline environment, it is very, very difficult to a person to attract any sort of disease. Fruits are much alkaline, so we suggest a person to go for one-time fruit diet, and rest of the other times he can choose the food according to his choice, but salt-free. And the fifth one is healing. The YPV healing can be direct healing or distant healing. So direct healing and distant healing have a same effect no matter if a person is directly sitting in front of us or he is far from us. Most of the healing we perform is distant healing, as the patient or our clients are no longer in our locality. So distant healing also have a same effect because we are treating the energy body. We don't need exactly a person in front of us. Since YPV based healing is an energy modality, we don't touch, we don't use any drugs. So since it is an exchange of energy, we don't actually want a person to sit next to us for this particular healing. So from physical exercise, rhythmic yogic breathing, forgiveness sadhana, planetary peace meditation and diet, a person have to follow whoever come to us for healing. And the fifth one, that is healing, will be done by us. Yoga Prana Vidya is known for success in complementary as well as alternative medicine. It goes hand in hand with allopathy, naturopathy and all other modalities. Sometimes when there is no effect with any other medications or any other system, we can also treat as an alternative medicinal system. So here in this particular study or the presentation, we are talking about the B-cell lymphoma cancer, but there are other cancer also which has been successfully healed and helped through YPV, like breast cancer, bone cancer, blood cancers, etc. So one fine day when I was sitting in my healing center, one of my friend approached me saying her father is diagnosed with a lymphatic cancer. The family was devastated, they were stressful, they were having no hopes and faith because the bread owning person in the family has been affected with a 4th stage of lymphoma. The patient's daughter approached me saying that the person is diagnosed with so and so and the entire family is affected. We all know that the name cancer itself is so depressing and it is so stressful. By hearing the name itself, he will have certain feelings of anxiety, depression, fear of mortality and feeling of helplessness. So, here, the person is not only affected physically, but also emotionally, mentally. So, in this particular case study, when the girl approached me for the healing, because I was known as a healer in my locality, one of my friends helped her to connect with me, and even before they have approached me, it have been 1.5 months that they have been diagnosed with lymphoma. Before they have come to us, they were not sure that what cell lymphoma it is. Once the healing have started, even within 3 to 4 days of healing, they have confirmed that it is a B-cell lymphoma. Then after we have started the healing, we have seen lot of changes within a person and also from the family. Family used to update us on a daily basis according to their improvements, what are the symptoms the patient is undergoing on that particular day, and accordingly we were giving healings. YPV healing protocol, as I have mentioned earlier, YPV is an integrated approach. The Patient was taught physical exercise, forgiveness sadhana, breathing exercise and meditation, and he even also attending divine healing session which used to come live every day in Facebook at 10 a.m. IST. So the healing have taken place for 5.5 months every day, and 2 healings were given to him in a day. Each healing takes 40 minutes of its own time. Here we have given a patient psychotherapy which will help a person to heal emotionally and mentally. In turn, it acts as an holistic healing. Basically, what happens if a person is undergoing stress? Let us look here. When a person is undergoing stress, his heart chakra or anahata chakra, we call it as, which controls and maintains the higher emotions, shrinks. And the solar plexus chakra here, what we can see, which is a center of all kinds of lower emotions, example, anxiety, stress, and fear, all these lower emotions are stored in this lower solar plexus chakra. So once we treat this particular chakra, removing all the negative thoughts and emotions from this lower chakras, once we activate the heart chakra, it not only helps a person to become peaceful, happy and receptive, it also helps a person to remove all kind of stress which is affecting the body. It helps a person to have a positive attitude towards his own life. It helps a person to have a regulated emotions and thoughts as well. So this particular psychotherapy or this particular angle of healing, what we use, it helps a person emotionally, mentally and spiritually on all levels. Once we give this psychotherapy, which takes hardly around 15 minutes, it helps a person to have a positive attitude. It helps a person to be very peaceful, calm and have positive attitude in life. Once the heart chakra becomes bigger, or once heart chakra comes under control, it also controls the physical heart, thymus gland and the respiratory system. It also affects the body physically. A small act of doing this helps a person to have a holistic healing approach. We also treat, after doing this psychotherapy, which is basically to clean the negative emotions and thoughts. After that, we come for the physical organs, where we treat major chakras using certain color combinations, which is taught in Yoga Prana Vidya level 2 and higher classes. We use certain colors to remove certain diseased energy or the cancer causing energy, and we energize and strengthen the particular chakra which is responsible for this particular issue. Of course, the blood is impure in this case, so we tend to clean the blood using the blood cleansing techniques, where we clean lungs, spleen, liver and kidneys, which in turn helps and enhances the blood to become pure, and it helps for a better circulation. Basically, by doing all these things, it is not only helping a person at emotional and physical level, it also energizing the vital organs, which is very important for the physical body, and hence accelerating the healing process. As we all see in this PET scan report, after the 3 months or 3 months of healing, after the 4 cycle of chemo, we can see here that 80 to 90% of the tumor or the cancer cells have shrinked versus they have planned basically for 8 cycle, but it have reduced in 4 cycle itself. Healing also helps a person to get whatever the medicine what he is taking to get absorbed and work on that particular need. YPV healing is an integrated approach which helps a person, which also saves a person from all the side effect what he is undergoing during chemotherapy. In this particular case, the main thing what doctor have told was the kidneys and the heart may get affected because of the particular chemo they are using. They were 99% very sure that the kidneys will get damaged because of using certain techniques called shielding and strengthening certain vital organs, especially kidney, heart, brain and spinal nerves. We have saved these organs by side effect. Isn't it fantastic that not to get affected with the side effect? So this also helped a person to have a faster recovery with having excellent willpower, as we have seen earlier. Once the negative thoughts and emotions are flushed out, once the person's heart chakra has become bigger, his willpower automatically strengthened. We have also observed that the boils on the scalps got healed and hair growth have been observed. So here is the follow-up PET scan result which was taken in June 2022, which shows the non-existence of the cancer cells. Follow up with the 1 year with the blood report, all the blood parameters were normal. So healing have helped not only to reduce the side effect, but also helped a person with his behavioral changes, withdrawal from social anxiety, inability to maintain the daily routines. Of course, we all know once a person is undergoing any serious ailment, he will be also dealing with anxiety, depression, fear of mortality, feeling of helplessness, loss of control over life and stress. Not only the person who is diagnosed, but also the entire family. But YPV healing have helped them to come out of all these negative lower emotions and to have a positive angle to look at their life. Even doctors were very surprised by the recovery. The combination of chemotherapy and YPV healing was very instrumental and have healed the entire family very well. I have come across this fantastic thought which says when you touch one life, you are not just touching that life, you are touching all the lives that life has touched. So through this healing, we have not only helped that patient, but the entire family to come out of all sorts of negativities what they were undergoing. YPV healing is a promising complementary therapy for a cancer treatment, which enables faster recovery, better mental well-being, and reduced side effects. I wish many people know about this fantastic technique which will help a person holistically to come out of all the things what he is undergoing. I wish many people learn about this technique and help in their own self, in their own family, in their own locality. I thank Sri N.J. Reddy sir heartfully for teaching this fantastic healing system, for giving this knowledge so that I can become an instrument to help many people. I immensely thank Dr. Venkat Satyanarayan Nanduri sir who helped us to pen down this beautiful research paper where we have done healing. We have done healing, but to show to the entire world, he was being an instrumental. Thank you so much, sir. I also thank Mr. Ashwin, who is my partner, also a partner in this particular healing. He also have contributed a lot for this healing. I also thank patient's family and the patient for supporting, for giving a proper feedback on a daily basis and helping us to document this fantastic case study. I thank one and all, I thank all of you for listening to me and giving this opportunity. For more details, You can email me to ramya.ypv@gmail.com. I thank all of you once again and have a fantastic day ahead.